The top snaps the aircraft all the way around one time and performs the big heart in the sky. It's like watching something in slow motion here. Look at this. Look how slowly he's rolling an aircraft. That takes a lot of coordination. Then a fishtail hammerhead. Now watch this. He takes the aircraft across the bottom. Once again, Randy will come out in front of the crowd as he does so. Let's give him a big wave and really appreciate his great performance. Randy's got a rookie smoke system on it. He really puts out a lot of smoke. He completely disappears. And wow. By the way, it's an aircraft that you can actually build yourself if you want one. As the Texas Twisters are taking off in the T-34s. Once again, still in the diamond formation. Look at this, a beautiful formation pass. As the sky begins to fill up with these classic aircraft. JD leading the flight there. Randy Ball today, some of his performances will be approaching speeds of over 550 knots today. Randy Ball in the MIG-17. Here he comes. The MiG-17F could prove fatal. It was flown by over 20 countries, 3 of which still fly the aircraft. Randy's going to be pulling about 8 Gs in this turn. And show you the power of the MiG-17 as he approaches from your left. Watch now, he'll slow the aircraft down. And watch as he gets to show center. Look at that, right down on the deck. It hits the afterburner. Ladies and gentlemen, Randy Ball taxiing back in that beautiful MiG-17.